Major local dairy companies showed no interest in partnering with the Free State provincial government in a project that was meant to uplift upcoming farmers. This is what the State Capture Commission heard from the former head of Department for Agriculture, Peter Thabethe. Thabethe is being interrogated on why the Free State Agricultural Department chose the Indian-based company Paras to partner with them at the Estina dairy farm project. He made his second appearance defending the choice of the Indian-based firm as a suitable partner.
The money-sucking Estina farm project is still in the spotlight and no doubt will be for some time. It is but one of the examples of how state capture mechanism worked. Take, for example, the company Paras. The commission heard it was the only company suited to develop small-scale dairy farmers. And that led to Estina coming on board. Except that none of the beneficiaries actually benefited.
Were you not interested in understanding what Estina's business or main business is after you had been told that they would be involved in your department's project?
No, not really, Chair.
Why would you not be interested in that?
Did the department interrogate whether Estina's registration was above board? Thabethe says he wasn't told about the business of Estina but knew it was tax compliant. He argued that his interest was with Paras and not Estina. Thabethe considered that he should have done a more robust background check on Estina.
Yes, Chair. Given the current situation, I would concede that we could have done additional check.
Well, could have done is one thing, but should you have done? That's the one I'm more interested in. So, in other words, do you concede that you should have done more than just checking whether they were tax compliant?
I agree, Chair.
Earlier, Thabethe told the commission that major local companies showed no interest in the Free State government initiative. This led to Paras being chosen for the project. Pressed for answers on the beneficiaries, Kabashe put Thabethe on the spot that the only beneficiary in the project was Estina and not anybody. But Thabethe stood his ground.
All I'm communicating, Mr. Thabethe, is they have no legal recourse as beneficiaries. They did not when you were there in June of 2012, and earlier actually. Today, they do not have a legal document that makes them beneficiaries.
The processes that should have unfolded maybe to achieve what is called in-law.
The in-law part.
The in-law part did not happen because we were in the beginning of the project. And one of the responsibilities that we had requested Estina to do was to register a company on their behalf where you will then put them in and officially then make them beneficiaries. But we did not get to that stage.
Thabethe will resume with his testimony on Tuesday. Nhlanhla Khatlhane, SABC News, Johannesburg.